Wow! It's a city view, Stephanie. It's a city view.
I cannot see, but I cannot stand.
Zalimos. Verbas. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng park. Wow! Ay, look at this! Look at this!
Ay! Tuyo!
Fish!
Ay, tuyo!
Fish! I don't know fish!
Look at
Oh!
the wow!
Beautiful na. Ngayon, okay na siya.
Look!
Yes!
Pazi daw sabi.
Yoy, stay. Where are we going? Huh? We're going to the mountain.
We're not in the mountain.
We're going to Banya Verdo. No, we're going to Banya Verdo. Hi! So we're waiting for the bus going to the mountain. Stephanie's already hungry.
We're not in the mountain.
So where are we going now? Oy, tingnan mo, ang ganda dyan, oh.
It's so windy. Look, it's windy. It's so windy. Look. We're in the mountain.
Yes. Little Joy is going in the mountain. Stephanie is riding the bus going to the mountain. Hi. Up and down.
It's so funny. Up and down.
Naman. Ito yung gallery. Puntahan natin mamaya.
Wow! Wow!
What is in there?
Oh my god, this is amazing!
Is it amazing? Let's climb over there. Oh, so we're going up in the monument. Yes.
We can climb the mountain.
Yes, we're going to climb the mountain. Ah, pardon.
Careful!
Okay. Imo, let's go upstairs. Upstairs. Let's go up over there. It's a city view, Stephanie. So we're going home now, Stephanie, huh?
No.
Punta tayo sa gallery. We're going to the gallery. Mm. Oh. Wow, it's very nice. One more. You look so dirty now. Hi, Dave. We're here waiting for the bus going back. Stephanie. Oh.